Okay, today we're looking at a little program called CrystalDiskInfo. It's free for the most part to download. You can also download a portable version. They have a regular, or what they call a standard version, and then they have two different like anime character versions. Since it's a Japanese, I guess, program, they like the anime stuff. When your disk gets to looking like this, that can't be too good. I've been transferring, I got to transfer some files over to the SD card to free up a little space. I've been doing stuff like that, but it's time to upgrade the disk anyway because of this. So I have the regular portable version, and I have the Kai Ultimate Edition. And it's telling me that I have 5 reallocated sector count. 1608. And it won't stay on there for me to point it. It says 5 reallocated sectors, 1608 count. So essentially this drive ain't all that great. It also gives you other information about the drive, like the power on hours, 24,859, so it's actually lasted quite a while. It is SATA. You can change the theme. All that really does is change the character over here to whatever. Let's see. Or you could use the regular version. Maybe you have to shut down the version to get the other one to come up. Yep, that must be it. So it still gives you the same information. Basically, you just don't have the themes like you did on the other one. At least the drive is running fairly cool. So we're going to be upgrading that to a 1 terabyte drive here shortly. But this is the reason for the update. Well, that and I'm running out of space on it. Oh goodness. So that's pretty cool. I don't know if it keeps that after you shut it off or not. Let's check. Yep, apparently it did. Does the other one do it? Where was that? Okay, that got too big for the screen though. Okay, it keeps it too, but it's still... We'll keep it there. Anyway, here's the website if you want to go to it. Just search CrystalDiskInfo and pick whatever version if you want to check your hard drives. You can also, I don't know how safe this website is here, but Portable Apps also has it available by searching CrystalDiskInfo Portable.